Hi YouTube, I am George and today I just show you my work in my garden. I prepare my garden to winter time and I started digging my garden. And here you remember when I showed you the apple tree, the first harvest on the apple tree this and links up above here. And I came here to work here and you remember there were so many weeds in the garden because I not have time to care garden, but now I have time and I decided to show you my work and I dig it a little bit there. I just started to dig in my garden and I did a little bit and that's good. Some trees here we can see. Looks beautiful now, right? And I have a lot of work there and some weeds here we see, and I use them in making compost. And I have lots of trees here in the garden. This is south cherry tree and the leaves just fall down as it's fall, end of fall, just will start to winter soon. And I will making compost from leaves that fall down and from leaves from cabbage and many other things. Look at this one, there are green stuff berries and it's amazing now. November it's cold and yeah. And I have two varieties of strawberry. This I don't know the name, but I have also there. This is Italian strawberries and they are very delicious. There are the blackberry plants and looks how it looks now in November. And here is hibiscus syriacus. Already the leaves fall down and look how it looks. Update, I dig it a little bit here and now it looks so beautiful. And I dig it over the apple tree, this apple tree that has fresh fruit. And I will continue today to digging there. And now it's in December and I stopped work for a week because was many rains and was impossible to digging. And now I will start to work again. Amazing time now, just it's sunny day outside and good to work. So I finished my work in my garden and now it looks so beautiful and clean, and for the next spring will be good for gardening and will be amazing garden. And that's why we're waiting for spring and so happy that I finished. And yeah.
Sing glory to the newborn King, peace on earth and mercy mild. God
So I wish you a good day, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching to the end and have a good day. I am George and subscribe to my channel and like this video, share. Bye!
To all